Welcome back. I'm going to start on this door on a Diahatsu mini truck today. So I've got to grind all this out. I'm going to use a few different tools to strip this down. I'm almost afraid to see what it looks like underneath here. First thing I'm going to do is get this trim panel off so I can take a look inside there. There's something strange to find inside a door. Some kind of a snail shell. I better keep that. Well, actually, I can't see any damage from the inside. I expected to see holes in it or something else. I'm going to take this door off and set it on sawhorses outside and start grinding all this stuff down. When I took the weather strip off the inside of that door, I can see it's been messed with in here. Almost looks like the skin came off of the shell, and that may be a MIG weld right there where they tacked it back together. Bunch of caulking in here, so I'll get that stripped out of there too. I'm going to start with the surface conditioning tool. Actually, this door isn't too bad. There's one low spot right in here. That's where they had that fiberglass reinforced Bondo. Why they used that, I'm not really sure. Look like all the colors of the rainbow in here. Green, red, blue, tan, and a nice coat of rust on the metal. Next, I'm going to flip it over, clean the back side of this door up. Okay, that's interesting. They actually put brass in here. A lot of these door skins, these flanges are so narrow, even if I was to cut this brass loose, try and peel that open and get it to go over the shell, it probably wouldn't go over it. There's just not much lip here. So I'm gonna clean all this up. I'm gonna leave the brass alone, grind it down some, get it smooth. There's some cracks in the paint here. Get everything cleaned up here. But the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna put some 1K self-etch primer on the top side and treat that metal where it was all rusty. Some of that rust is in there. You don't really see it. It's microscopic. So as that primer is drying, it may neutralize that rust, and I'll come back here and I'll clean this up. So I'm just going to throw this out there. You make up your own mind. I really don't know what happened with it, but the only rust on this door was underneath the Bondo where it was bare metal. There was no rust coming through on this factory E-coat under the paint or anything. It was only where it was repaired and ground down to bare metal. Maybe it was ground off and it sat for a while and rusted. Let me know in the comments what you think. The next video, I'm going to get this door straightened, get the Bondo work done, and get it primed. Thanks for watching.